So, sa Kaiser long-term care, dito sa hierarchy, tatlo na yung ina-address niya. So, sa Kaiser, may healthcare and short-term and long-term care, may protection and life insurance, at may investment. So, ang Kaiser is 3-in-1. Pag sinabi mong Kaiser, tatandaan nyo lang po is 720. 7 years ka lang pong magbabayad at 20 years kang insured. Pag-usapan naman natin yung K45 Kaiser Plan. Okay, ito naman po yung tinatawag nilang budget meal, no? From 10 to 40 years old, pwede itong Kaiser Plan na K45. Ano naman yung benefits at maturity? Kasi ang maganda sa Kaiser, pwede kang kahit age 10 pa lang, pwede na kumuha ng Kaiser Plan. So, ang long-term care benefit niya, guaranteed is 45,000. Ang long-term care bonus niya is guaranteed if you don't use your annual benefit limit during the 7 years is 157,500. Ang unused accumulated yearly health benefit niya, projected value is 121,387. At ang unused accumulated yearly health bonus niya, projected value is 200,888. Yan yung ating benefits at maturity. Ito yung summary. Ang summary of benefits at maturity is, kanina, long-term care benefit guaranteed 45,000. Long-term care bonus guaranteed if the annual benefit limit was not used during the 7 years is 157,500. Unused accumulated yearly health benefits of 121,387. Unused accumulated yearly health bonus of 200,888. Ang total benefit mo, projected value is 524,776 pesos. Magkano ang contract price mo sa K45 Kaiser Plan? Ang annual po is 26,470. Annual. Okay, payment. Pero pwede ka pong magbayad ng semi-annual, quarterly, monthly, or pwede rin pong spot cash. Ang kagandahan ng spot cash is less 25% ang discount mo pag nag-spot cash ka, pag ayaw mo nang magbayad ng 7 years. So dito po, ang total 7 years na contract price niya is 185,288. So kung titignan mo, 185,288 ang contract price versus yung total benefit, projected value at maturity is kalahating milyon mahigit. So almost nag-triple yung pera mo after 20 years sa K45 Kaiser Plan. Maganda o napakagandang investment. Sobrang ganda. Okay? At ito naman po yung projected value at the age of 60 and 65. Assuming you are 30 years old now and you're getting your K45 Kaiser Plan. At the age of 60, okay, mayroon ng projected value ang pera mo 1.3 million plus. Pag ayaw mo pang kunin, nagko-compounding interest po siya kada taon, 3 to 10%. At the age of 65, magkano na ang projected value niya? 2 million plus. Magkano lang bidayar mo? For 7 years, 185,288. Kung titignan mo, mahigit nag-times 10 yung pera mo. Good or very good investment ng Kaiser. Di ba napakaganda? Mas maganda na kumuha ka as soon as possible. Kasi 3-in-1 to eh, di ba? May investment na, may insurance na, may healthcare pa.